Hello viewers, welcome to this session. In this session, we will learn artificial selection. This is from Dr. K. Sivaprasad, a lecturer in zoology, SVSSC Government Degree College, Sulurpeta, Sri Poti Sriramulu, Nellore district. These are the learning objectives: to learn the definition of artificial selection, to understand the phenomena of artificial selection, to identify the species generated through artificial selection, to illustrate the different types of artificial selection. History of artificial selection. Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin coined the term selective breeding, noted that many domesticated animals and plants used the term artificial selection twice in the 1859 first edition of his work on the origin of species. He published a book in the year 1859, November 24th. This book considered to be the foundation of evolutionary biology. Definition of artificial selection or selective breeding. Selective breeding is the process by which humans use animals breeding and plant breeding to selectively develop particular phenotypic trait or characters. Robert Bakewell, 1725 to 1795, British agriculturist, worked in agronomy, the first to implement systematic selective breeding of livestock. Norman Ernest Borlaug, 1914 to 2009, termed the Green Revolution of American agronomists extensive increase in agricultural production. He also developed so many varieties of wheat varieties. Manakumbu Sambasivan Swaminathan, M.S. Swaminathan, is an Indian genetist, father of Indian Green Revolution. Breeding strategies. The breeders should identify and select desirable qualities in animals for mating, discard less desirable qualities. Breeding makes new combination of sequencing of genes. Selected breeding system, selected males and females are mated. Breeding methods. Inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding is closely related individuals are mated. Outbreeding, unrelated individuals are mated. Purebred. Animals have a single recognizable breed is called purebred or pure breed. Pedigreed. Pure breeds with a record lineage is called pedigreed. Mixed breed, mixing of several breeds is known as mixed breeds. Pure breeding aims to establish and maintain stable traits that animals will pass to the next generation. Breed registry, breeding the best of the best, culling and selection of superior qualities is called breed registry. These are the terminology for artificial selection or breeding strategies. Plant breeding. High yielding and drought resistant varieties important in agriculture. Carrot, wheat, tomato, so many varieties now we are developing. India had nearly 1,10,000 varieties of rice, now only 6,000 species of rice. Notified rice varieties in Andhra Pradesh only 145, among which we have some rice varieties every day by day we are seeing. Karnool Sona Masuri, Molagolukulu, జీలకర్ర సన్నాలు, Pusa basmati rice, long grain Sugandha basmati IR20 rice. Examples of plant hybrids, scientific name and common name: Vitis rotendifolia grape, Cocos nucifera coconut, Malus domestica apple, Solanum lycopersicum tomato, Triticum aestivum wheat, Vitis rotendifolia grapes, Chiames maize. These are some of the hybrid varieties, plant varieties. Selective breeding in aquaculture: quality traits, growth rate, faster growth rate, survival rate. Survival rate is very high and long survival rate. Meat quality is very good meat quality. Age at sexual maturation. Early maturation is very essential. Fecundity, ability to produce an abundance of offsprings is also quality parameters. Some of the examples of aquatic selective breeding: Atlantic salmon, rainbow trout, coho salmon, cyprinids, common carp, channel catfish, pinned shrimps like Lithopenes, Venami, Stylorostris. These are the some of the aquatic examples. Selective breeding in livestock. Livestock was first used between 1650 and 1660. Livestock is domesticated animals raised in an agriculture setting to produce labor and commodities such as meat, eggs, milk, fur, leather and wool. These are the livestock animals. We will see next slide. The dog was domesticated 15,000 years ago, goats and sheep 11,000 and pigs 8,500 BC, horse around 4,000 BC, cattle 10,500 years ago, chickens and other poultry 7,000 BC. Some of the dog above breeds in India, I will show one or two examples here. Jonangi Jagilam or Kolleti Jagilam is an Indian dog breed, majority found in separated state of Andhra Pradesh and also in some parts of Karnataka and all along the east coast from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Rajapalam is also known as the Polygar Hound or Indian Ghost Hound, is southern India dog breed, particularly in its Namasake town of Rajapalam in Vidarbha district of Tamil Nadu. Some of the livestock in India: Kadaknath, Asil, Murray, Japrabadi, Shahilwal, Red Sindhi, Amrit Mahal, Harlikar, Merino sheep, horse, donkey, the mating between horse and donkey, female horse and male donkey. We will get mule here. Male horse, female donkey will get hinny here. Naming of hybrid animals depend on the sex and species of the parents, the father giving the first half of his species and the mother the second half. Example: zebra plus donkey will get Janki. Male lion, female tiger, we will get liger here. Male camel, female llama, we will get Kama here. Male tiger, female lion, we will get Tigan here. Male goat, female sheep, we get Jeep here. Advantages. Direct way to determine if a specific trait easier to understand than sibling analysis, better for traits such as physiology and behavior. Disadvantages. A single experiment cannot be used to assess an entire group. An individual experiments must be done for every individual trait. Experiment to require maintaining the organisms tested in the laboratory or greenhouse conditions. Conclusion. Artificial selection led to rapid evolution of specific traits, and population structure had effect on the nature and extent of heritable variation. Selecting offspring with desirable traits as breeding stock for succeeding generations. Alteration of species through artificial selection, then environment have similar effect on wild species, because we have seen in rice varieties in olden days we will have nearly 1,10,000. Now we will have only 6,000 rice varieties. Due to lack of conservation, due to lack of cultivation, the wild varieties, the wild varieties vanish. The wild varieties vanish. The hybrid or selective breeding varieties are conserved more and more. This is one of the disadvantages of selective breeding. Thank you.